Hey busy crafters, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're returning. My name is Jessica and we have a great one for you today. And I just wanted to pop on here and say, and show my face a little bit, to say thank you guys so much for spending your wonderful, precious time with me. I know in this busy, crazy world, it's kind of hard to just sit down and relax and watch anything, and so I really do appreciate you guys watching me and choosing my channel and choosing my videos to watch. And I really appreciate you guys, and I can't express how much it means to me that you are willing to spend your time watching me just make stuff. And sometimes it's easy stuff, sometimes it messes up, and sometimes it's amazing stuff that I amaze myself at. So I just wanted to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I really do appreciate you guys, and I appreciate your support. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. That helps me out. It's free. There's nothing that you have to do except for hit that subscribe button and help my channel grow. I can't do this without my Lord and Savior as well as you guys. I do need your guys' support and help by helping my channel grow, and the way you guys can do that is I'm not asking for anything. I'm not asking for Cash App. I'm not asking for anything. All I'm asking is for you to just hit that subscribe button, and please continue to make sure that you're subscribed, because YouTube has a cruel joke that it plays on us creators, that they take away subscribers and it just really gets discouraging. So I'm just asking that you just hit that subscribe button. That's how you can support this small channel, as well as comment and watch the channel or watch the video through its entirety. And yeah, so again, thank you guys so much for everything, and thank you for being a part of this channel and being a part of my YouTube family. And yeah, so with that being said, let's get to the craft room. Bye. Okay, so this is a collaboration with Crafting or Hoard. It is hosted by my friends Joanna at Joanna's DIY Life, as well as Tiffany at Simply Blessed Crafts. Be sure to go on over and give them some love, as well as the playlist linked down below. So I've had these, actually was going to do them for another collaboration, but I really did not make it. So I've had these in my stash for a little bit, and I got them from Hobby Lobby. They were on the clearance, which is absolutely amazing. And I've always wanted a couple of those books. So when they were on clearance, I was like, absolutely, yes, I do need them. Because I found books just like them with my theme, which is pink bows and green, sage green. And when I saw that cross, I was like, yeah, I need that in my life too. So this is what we're going to do. So we have a couple projects for you. Now I'm showing here that there are some imperfections in both the bow as well as the paint of the cross, the green paint. And I'm showing you that these are books. There was really no imperfections, but I didn't like the do it for you. No, everything I do is for the glory of my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. So we are going to change that right now. So on to project number 1. Now, this project, cute concept, I wasn't feeling it, because I've learned from this project, if you are not feeling like crafting, don't do it. Just don't do it at all. Because everything that could go wrong went wrong, and then there was more that went wrong, and yeah. So this is the project that I'm just like, I had to just walk away and take a time to relax. I wasn't feeling my best, guys. and I think that this project kind of shows it a little bit. But so right here, I am taking Waverly chalk paint in Ballet Slipper, and I am slowly going across the bow, because I do not want to get the pink paint on the green, and I did not want to get the green paint on the pink, but that did not happen because I did both. And then, yeah, so I actually started this project, and so I haven't really been feeling like crafting for a few days, and I started it because I wanted to do this one collaboration, missed it completely, so pray next month, God willing, that I get to do that, because I'm trying to get a few collaborations that I want to be a regular on, and this is one of them. And yeah, so as well as Joanna's and Sabrina. I think Sabrina's a thrift flip as well. So there's a few of them that I want to be a part of regularly, and then other ones when I can. So I'm still trying to work out the details. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and do the top with the same ballet slipper. And then here I am going to do the green color, and I'm going in really slowly. And I started out okay, and then I just got impatient because, again, I just wanted to go be a couch potato. I didn't want to do anything. I didn't want to think about anything. I just wanted to wallow in self-pity. No. I did not want to wallow in self-pity. No. I just did not want to do anything, really. The house was cleaned, and I just wanted to just vegetate, I guess. I don't know. But, so here I am. I'm going to go all the way around the bow. And I did get some green on the bow after I was so careful to paint the pink. And yeah, so later on I did go in and fix it because I'm like, no, I can't do this, especially since these are actually for my craft room. So I have this inspiration for my next craft room. Now, in about a year, we should be moving, Lord willing. I'm looking forward to it because I've been over 30 years on this mountain, and I just want something different. It gets tiring having to drive down a mountain for a glue stick, and so I'm kind of isolated, and it's not really my cup of tea. Like, I like being at home. My home is very peaceful and everything, but at the same time, I don't want to have to spend an entire day just for a glue stick. So this projects are actually for my next craft room, and I'm excited about it. I have a whole vision of how I want the next craft room to look, and so we're going to look for houses that have a separate area just for my crafting stuff, because I have a ton of crafting stuff all over the place. So now that I made you watch me paint that and then talk about my next craft room, we're going to move on to the next step. So what we did here is I got some half beads. Well, they're not beads, they're half pearls. And I just glued them down with some Aleene's tacky glue in clear. And I'm using my wax pen. That thing is brilliant. I like that wax pen. And I put a bigger one right there in the middle of the bow. And then I'm just going to go ahead and go all the way around. And if you're wondering if I'm going to make you watch the whole thing, I am. I absolutely am, because that gives us a little bit more time to talk. So how are you guys doing? How's your day going? Is everything good? Is everything cool? I tried to say cool and good at the same time, and it came out weird. So just ignore that. You didn't hear nothing. Okay, so yeah, for the smaller beads, like the tweezers, I would try to use the tweezers, and they would just fly across the room and hit me in the eye. I don't know how many times I've been hit in the eye trying to use tweezers, and then they just pop out, and then I'm blinded for a few minutes. And then, yeah, so I got this wax pen, and it came with some came with a couple pens. It did come with a couple different sets of tweezers, but it's pretty good. I would recommend it. Yeah, I would recommend it. And then it has the smaller tip on there where you can see right there. Smaller tip, you just put that in the wax for this really small stuff, and it's good. It works wonders. So while off camera, I also painted the sides of it in my Waverly chalk paint in ballet slipper as well. And then right here, this Bible verse did get messed up, and right now I'm like, okay, there's stuff missing. So this is actually heat transfer, and when I was not in the mood to craft, I messed up a bunch of heat transfer, and then I forgot to mirror it, and then I did it with the shiny side up, and then, yeah, so yesterday I was about to just throw the entire Cricut out the window, even though it's not the Cricut's fault. I needed to blame something. I didn't want to blame my lack of wanting to craft. So yeah, but it kind of got messed up, and I was almost in tears because everything that was going wrong and then some. But Much better today. Talked with the Lord, and I could tell he was just like, oh my goodness, daughter. So yeah, he's always saving me. So right there, when I was doing my heat press, one of the pearls popped off, and so that's what I did here. So here's the final review on this one, and I tell you, if you're hearing that, we have a nice breeze going today. Yeah, my husband had to get me to go downstairs to see the filter, and then the horses next door came up, and they're just so sweet. I especially like Emerald Bay. He's a sweetheart. Yeah, it's pretty fun. It's challenging, but it's pretty fun living next door to horses, and that's only because of the dust. But petting them and being able to pet them, it's worthwhile. It really is. Okay, so I want to go ahead and take a moment to thank every single one of my subscribers. I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. This channel wouldn't be where it's at if it wasn't for the Lord above, as well as you guys taking the time to subscribe and to watch and to comment and to share and to like and do all that stuff. So thank you guys so much. Okay, so now on to project number 2. And right here is where we're going to be working on the books. So I take those books and I completely drench them. Well, I didn't drench them, but I put them in with a decent coat of Mod Podge. Front, back, sides. And, well, one side, not the other side, because then it'll be glued shut and then they're pointless. So then I take this paper. Now, what I'm doing here is I'm taking some foam paper or foam sheets and clamps, because I did not want the clamps to indent my paper. And then now I'm just going ahead and taking my mini heat press. It's HTV Ront. My Cricut broke, so it's HTV Ront now. And I go ahead and reactivate the Mod Podge. Now, I put a lot of Mod Podge down. It was a healthy serving of Mod Podge, and it worked out wonders. I waited until it was completely dry, not tacky or anything. It was completely dry. And then now I'm just going to go ahead and do the sides of the books as well. And then I'm going to do the back. And then right here, my ring light decided that it wanted to attack me. And so, yeah, that was kind of fun. Don't know why. I don't know if I owe it money or whatever. I don't know, but it just attacked me. And all of a sudden, I am wearing a ring light on top of my head. And so, yeah. And then right here, I do this Bible verse as well. And this is Corinthians... yeah, it's about crafting. It's about being the Bible verses that I use in all 3 of these projects are something that has to do with crafting and the good works of crafting and stuff like that. So there is a lot of them, and since these are for my craft room, I thought that would be appropriate because, yeah. So one thing that I wanted to do here is that I realized is that what I should have done is I should have made a white background for the words, because they kind of get drowned out a little bit. And so now I've learned for future projects of what to do there. So it's not a total loss and it's not a total mess, and I still like them. And yeah, that's what I really should have done. So this is Psalms 139:14, I believe. Yeah, Psalm 139:14. And I can't really read the thing, and then I lost the paper of what it's on, what I wrote, what the Bible verse was. That's what I'm saying. Thank you so much. See, this is why I like you guys, because you guys correct me. And then so here I take some of this glitter paper, and I did not want to glue everything again, so I just take this glitter paper and I just wrap the entire book in it, so that way it is protecting not only the paper, but it's also protecting the wording, what do you call it? The heat transfer. That's it. Thank you so much. And yeah, and unfortunately I did get a little tiny wrinkle in the back, but that's okay. It's not perfect, and I really don't care if it is or isn't. Nothing's perfect. And then there was a little bit of stuff here, so I just take my zip sander and I clean it up a little bit, and everything turned out amazingly beautiful. And yeah, so now I've taken 2 books that were on clearance that were not really my style, and I made them exactly that. So here I'm going ahead and I'm putting in some of my ephemera for my junk journaling and stuff like that. And that's what I want to use these books for, is different ephemera. I might change them out for different things. I'm not sure, but we will know when we get to the next craft room. So there is the books now. And again, I should have made a white background for the Bible verses. And yeah, now I was going to put pearls on them like I did the cross, but then I couldn't stack them. I was going to do it down the sides, but then with the plastic on, I wasn't sure how that's going to work out. So I just left them exactly how they are. And I did learn next time, put a white background behind the words, and then everything would be great. Yeah. So let me know what you think of these projects in the comments down below. Okay, so now here's on to the final review of everything together. And yeah, so let me know what you think. Yes, there's a lot of green in the house. That is the green in the living room. We live in the forest, guys. Come on. And so yeah, there is Psalms 139:14. I praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Your works are wonderful. I know that very well. Yeah, and that is true. And whatever you do, do it with all your heart. Man, do with heart as working for the Lord, not for human masters. And that is Corinthians 3:23. Or no, Colossians. Corinthians. What was I thinking? It's Colossians. Whatever. Yeah. So that's Colossians 3:23. So let me know what you think about these projects in the description box below. Or in the comments on the description box. Okay, so go ahead and like this video, share this video so it gets out to your friends and YouTube knows, hey, they like this video. Also comment, and I do get back to the comments. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you have subscribed, please make sure you are subscribed because YouTube is a big meanie. Okay, so thank you so much, Joanna and Tiffany, for hosting this amazing collaboration. I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart as well. And for all of you guys out there into YouTube land, go ahead and be sure to give these two lovely ladies some love, as well as the playlist in the description box down below. Okay, so thank you again so much for watching. Thank you for spending your precious time with me. I appreciate you guys so much. And again, I couldn't do this without you and the Lord Jesus Christ. And until I see you on the next one, may God bless every single last one of you. Bye.